In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate files using DeepSeek AI with this easy 2025 guide. First, open your browser and go to the official DeepSeek website, then log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click the upload or attachment icon in the chat box and select the file you want to translate. This can be a PDF, a Word document, or even an image with text. After the file finishes uploading, simply type a prompt like translate this file to English or whatever language you need. DeepSeek will automatically scan the file and generate the translated version right in the chat. If you want the translation in a different format, you can also ask rewrite this into paragraphs. Give me a cleaner version or translate only page 3. For better accuracy, add instructions like keep the formatting or translate but maintain original structure. And that's it.